Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make chickpea hummus. You're going to need 3 cloves of fresh garlic, plain low-fat yogurt, fresh lemon juice, olive oil, salt, paprika, black pepper, and 1 can of drained chickpeas. You are also going to need a food processor or blender. I used a blender, a cutting board, a set of measuring cups, a knife, and a lemon juicer, or you can juice by hand. So let's get cooking. You're just going to add all of your ingredients into your food processor or your blending cup. First, add your drained chickpeas, then your low-fat yogurt. Next, you're going to measure out your olive oil. You may end up needing more of this later depending on the consistency. Then squeeze your lemon and add that. Next up is your garlic cloves. So you're going to need to de-shell these. Once you have the coating off, you're going to mince the garlic cloves. Be very careful about this. If you do not have good knife skills, that's okay. You can use pre-minced garlic. So once you have that into a pretty fine texture, put that in the blender. Next, you're going to finish off with your spices, your paprika, your salt and pepper. Now, with all of your ingredients together, you're ready to blend. Stick it on the blender. This might take a couple of tries. It's okay to add a little bit of extra liquid, whether that be more olive oil, lemon juice, water, whatever you want to add to get the right texture and flavor. You might have to blend several times, mixing in between, just so you can make sure that your hummus comes out nice and smooth. After a couple of tries, you should be good to go. You can scoop out every last little bit of goodness from the blender and even out your hummus in the bowl so it's ready for serving. Once you're done with that, put it on a plate, add your favorite chip, cracker, or vegetable. I did Triscuits and carrots, and you are ready to go. Enjoy!